In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change username on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. After that, go to menu. Then tap at that gear to open up settings, and after that we need to go to Meta Account Center. To do that, tap where it says See More in Account Center. After that, we'll be taken to Meta Account Center, where we need to go to Profiles. Then we need to select the profile to which your Facebook account has been added. And on the next step, we can easily find username. If we tap on it, we'll be able to change our Facebook username, and also right from here we can sync usernames between Facebook and Instagram. If you want to use the same username across Facebook and Instagram, you can just turn on that feature. However, if you just want to change your Facebook username, tap right here. And on the next step, we can change our username. To do that, just tap right here, and then you can remove current one and enter new one. Once you've done with that, don't forget to hit at done to save the changes. That's how you can easily change username on Facebook.